Hi, I'm Dr. Zoya of Trick One Aesthetics in Mayfair, and today I'm going to run you through the pre-treatment and aftercare of our Morpheus 8. So Morpheus 8 can be used pretty much all over the body, but the most common place that it's used is the face and neck. So in this pre-treatment and aftercare video, I'll be mainly focusing on these areas, but everything I'm saying translates for the rest of the regions too. Morpheus 8 is an incredible treatment and it's super duper popular, not just here, but globally. It's become quite a sensation. It's a radiofrequency and microneedling device that really helps tighten your skin and shrink fat in certain areas. So there are a few things that you can do before your treatment with Morpheus 8 that will really help prepare your skin and optimize your results. So let's talk about them first. So 2 weeks before your treatment, you want to stop taking any medication like ibuprofen or aspirin, not unless these are prescribed for medical reasons. If they're used as a pain relief treatment, then stop using them and use alternatives like paracetamol. But if they're used for medical treatments, then of course continue using your aspirin and ibuprofen. This is because generally ibuprofen and aspirin can really thin the blood and make you more prone to bruising and swelling. Also avoid taking vitamin E, ginseng and fish oils to help reduce swelling and bruising. 1 week before your treatment, it's a really good idea to stop using actives on your skin. So this includes things like AHAs, BHAs, salicylic acid, that kind of stuff, or retinol, tretinoin, prescription grade actives as well. All these things, just stop them 1 week before your treatment. That will really help the skin barrier to improve and heal, and the treatment area will be a lot less inflamed and the treatment will be more comfortable for you. 3 days before your treatment, avoid excessive alcohol and smoking. Also avoid excessive sun exposure, as this can really inflame your skin. Also, it's a really good idea not to start any new treatments on your skin, get any radical facials or a new product into your skincare line. Just avoid all of that 3 days before your treatment. Now, the day of your treatment, you want to make sure that you wash your face like you normally do, but obviously not using any actives on there. But don't use your normal creams, lotions, etc. on your skin that day, because you want to keep your skin nice and clean and ready for the treatment. Also, definitely, if you can avoid it, don't wear any makeup on the day as well. Now let's talk about the aftercare. So immediately after your treatment, what you'll notice is your skin's a little bit red, can be a little bit swollen, and you'll have these small little puncture marks, the little red dots from the microneedling part of your treatment. This all settles down within a few days, but if you've had slightly more aggressive treatment, so quite high energies, that can take up to a week or two to settle as well. At Trick One, we can give you certain creams that will help speed up the recovery and healing time of the skin as well. So the things that you don't want to do immediately after is really touch your skin loads, put any makeup on there, really fiddle with it. So for the first 4 hours, just leave it alone. Your practitioner or your therapist would have put whatever needs to be put on there for the first 4 hours, so just leave it alone. Before bed, you can wash your face with something very gentle and hydrating, but avoid using anything exfoliating or like a scrub or really rubbing your skin like where you've had the treatment done. Just avoid doing any of that. Also, make sure you use a clean towel to dry your face, and even with your sleeping arrangement, try and use a brand new pillowcase or a clean blanket, bed sheets, that kind of thing, just to help prevent any sort of infection on your skin. So the first few days after your treatment, so about 2 or 3 days after your treatment, you want to avoid using makeup still on the areas that have been treated. And also you want to avoid using any chemical sunscreens. Chemical sunscreens contain ingredients like oxybenzone, and these can be quite irritant on your skin. Please do, and certainly do, continue using your mineral SPF, so your physical SPF. You want to continue using that because sun protection in the first few days is really vital. But what sun protection you use is key as well to not irritate your skin. You can continue washing your face with a really gentle cleanser if you like, that doesn't have any sort of harsh ingredients in it, or just lukewarm water. I would still continue avoiding using any actives on your skin, but you can start introducing a moisturizer back into your routine. But make sure you use one that doesn't have a high level of any sort of preservatives, fragrance that can irritate the skin as well. Another few things that can really help the healing process in the first few days is if you avoid things like excessive exercise or going to the gym, sauna, steam rooms, hot bath, jacuzzis, that kind of thing for the first few days, just because that excessive heat can really inflame the skin and delay and postpone your healing process. Makeup can be used after 48 hours, but I would really urge if you can wait a bit longer, that would be great. So the longer you can allow your skin to just breathe and heal, that's going to be the best that you can do for your skin. So the longer you can wait before putting makeup on, the better, but not before 48 hours. And lastly, 3 to 6 weeks after your treatment, it's really important that you go and visit your practitioner to really see how your skin's doing. If this is the last treatment, so mainly people have 2 to 3 sessions, if this is the last one that you're planning to have, I would still urge you to go and have a review with your practitioner just to see where your skin is at and what are the things that you can do to help improve. So I hope that video was really helpful in describing the pre-care and aftercare for your Morpheus 8 treatment. If you have any further questions, then please drop us a message.